Okay guys, welcome to Digital Clicks. I am Augustus Philip. While I was doing my identity verification, it wasn't successful, and I told you in that video that I was going to send Amazon a mail. I have done that, and this is the mail I sent to them. See it. This is the mail I sent to them. I prompted ChatGPT to get this content to send to them as mail. If you need that, let me know at the comment section. Okay. And they have replied. This is their reply. Okay, they have extended the date, okay, for me to do the verification again, and I want to do the verification now, so let's do that together. I'm logging into my account. Send OTP. Okay. Let's see how it goes. I just pray this will be successful. Okay, the effect has actually taken place. It has been extended. So I scroll down to verify identity. From verify identity, country, we know how to do all these ones. Select my country. I'll choose national identity card. That is what I want to use. Okay. Okay. Let me upload the identity. Continue. Okay, let's wait and see. Wow. So that's the way. It's been confirmed now. You've seen it, identity successfully verified. So that's the way to do it. Okay, so these are the things I'd like you to consider before you do your verification. Number one, allow your browser access to your camera. I discovered the first time I did not grant this access to my camera. Whatever browser you are using, please ensure you grant access to your camera. Okay. Number two, snap a clear image of your ID card, also on a white background. The ID
ID card I used, I had to put it on plain sheet and I snapped it, after which I cropped it, leaving a little border of that one. Number 3, national ID card recommended. The first time I did the identification exercise, I used driver's license. Okay, so after writing them a letter and got a reply, I had to go to my national ID card and I had to print it. I had to print it into card, plastic card. That is what I use. So these are the points I'd like you to consider when you want to do your home. If you find this video helpful,